Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Easter today. Happy Easter! And I'm still gonna film a video. I'm gonna sound test both of these. Now I did a review on this one. I haven't done anything with this one because I don't want to. I don't know why. But now you're gonna hear which one's better. Let's see. Okay, first I'm gonna sound test the Blackweb thing, the speaker. I mean, this one's the Blackweb. Turn it all the way up. So it is made in China, pretty good. I think everything's made in China, including this. It's also made in China. $30, and then this one I cannot remember, but it's probably cheaper. Speakers. Overall, I like this speaker for how cheap it is. It's a pretty good speaker. Now I'm going to connect to the Emerson Smart Set. Is it on? Yeah, it is. On Bluetooth.
Bluetooth pairing.
Everyone, now it's time for the Emerson Smart Set. Let's hit play. Max volume. So this one's definitely louder. This one's quieter. Got your subwoofer in there. Better turn the flashlight on. You will not be able to see it move. But this one. Alright, so that will be the end of the sound test. I would say, if I had to choose which one you should purchase, I would have to say this one, because it has a bigger, but if you like more bigger, like more bigger, like you kind of have to like put it close to your ear and stuff in order to hear that bass. But there's bass, there's definitely bass. And if you want an alarm clock, and you can do all that stuff to it, and you can also charge from it, I would choose this. It's only $39 and some odd cents. But if you like more louder and like you can hear the bass a little more clear, I'll choose this one. But you can hear a little kick when the bass kicks in. So it depends on what you like. Peace out.